Is it flashing red?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna do Runaway, 20-minute aged scent. We're going after a new dog, is Ginny. I'll point this out. Oops, sorry Diesel. Ginny went around that green building down there, cut left. We're going through the woods on a trail, and we're going behind an old folks home all the way around, and Ginny's waiting on the far corner. Hang on, Diesel. Look what I got. Look what I got, buddy. You want to smell worry? You want to have a smell? Hey? Hey, Diesel. Okay. Diesel? Diesel, take scent. Good boy. Good boy. You want to work? You want to go find Ginny? You want to go find Ginny, buddy? You want to go? Got her smell? Got her? Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Here. Diesel. Diesel. Here. Take scent. Take scent. Don't make this hard. Here, buddy. Take scent. Take scent. Okay, you want to find her? Search. Where is she, buddy? Where's her smell? Where is she, bud? You smell her? Where is she, buddy? Where's her smell? Let me get behind you. Come on. There he goes. This is 20 minutes aged. It's raining. It's cool out. And this is his first time with a new dog and a new handler. She was supposed to go on the right side of this building and behind, and then across to the old folks home. Oh, he's got it. What do you got, buddy? What do you got? Hey, you got Ginny? And then we're supposed to take her right here through the path. Good boy. Good boy. Where is it? Where is it, buddy? Where is it? You got them? And then straight up ahead, we're going to go to the right side of the old folks home up there. You got it? Yes, you do. That's a good boy. There you go. There you go. That a boy. Where are they, buddy? Where are they? Hang on. Okay, on this trail and to the right. Shake it off, buddy. Where? Where is it? Where's their smell? Where's their smell? Where are they, buddy? Where are they? Can you smell them? Where's Ginny, buddy? And I'm trying not to lead them. She went on this side of the building. Come on, where's that smell, buddy? Where did they go? Where'd they go? Whoops. Around the fence. Where are they, buddy? Hey, you got her smell? Oh, he's got it now. Oh. Where is it, buddy? Huh? You're good working. You're good working, buddy. Back to work. Oh, holy cow. Good boy.
Good job, Diesel.
Good job.
Good job. Hey.
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
Good boy.
Good job.
Woohoo.
You did really good.
Shocking.
That's amazing.
Thanks.